KinderCare now requiring staff members who work with infants to be vaccinated against the measles. So that begs the question, what about adults?
With the measles vaccination debate intensifying, do adults need something like a booster shot?
Well, just today, the nationwide daycare chain KinderCare started requiring all staff who work with infants to be vaccinated against the measles. Matthew Simon with the Health Watch tonight. Matthew.
Michelle, Eric, doctors say for adults in general, this comes down to knowing your vaccine history and who you are surrounded by.
Something that a lot of people don't think about.
On a walk with 3-year-old Audrey and 1-year-old Jack.
So he hasn't had his first MMR yet.
Medicine pediatrician Annie Esquivel says it's more important for adults, especially with kids like her, to have been vaccinated against the measles.
So that they don't pass it on to the children.
Children under 6 months too young for the shot. After 5 Chicago babies being cared for by KinderCare, which has 4 Madison locations, developed measles. Moms like China Keller are glad to hear her son's daycare now requiring staff working with infants to have the vaccination.
He used to be in an in-home daycare and by himself, and then now he's, around all these other kids.
People generally need 2 doses of the measles vaccine.
A UW staff physician, Dr. Nasia Safdar, says while most of us are actually immune for life after our first measles inoculation, that second shot is to be extra safe.
There are more and more people that are falling into this high-risk category. They're either around little kids or they're travelers or they're in school or college, and they then do need 2 doses.
While anti-vaccine parents have historically taken the position vaccines put their children's health at risk, there is very little information about how they feel in general about vaccinating themselves to prevent the spread. Historical data shows far less older generation parents, meaning today's grandparents, opted out of their children who are now today's parents receiving vaccinations. If you do not know your shot history, the doctor we talked to today says receiving more than 2 measles shots will not cause a health risk.
All right, some good information there, and a hot button issue continues. All right, thank you, Matt.